It is October 1st, 2025. 6:33 a.m. Today I'm looking at US 30 and how she's flying the fuck without me. And also, I was gonna enter on NAS 100, but I honestly didn't think she was gonna fly just off the 4-hour gap, so she's flying right now. And I wanted to see a retrace on US 30, but she's not having it right now. She might have it, I don't know. Hopefully she has it. This US 30 trade kind of looks good to me. She will hit the fib level and then into a 1-hour/4-hour gap. She already took previous day low. Here, I'm gonna show you guys the chart. Alright, this is US 30 right now. But she said, okay, what I said, she took previous day low. And I already knew she was gonna go up to the Asian high when I was looking at the chart at around 2 a.m. I was like, oh yeah, she took the previous day low. And then 4-hour, we had this hammer candle. And the only thing I didn't really enter is because of news. We have at 7 a.m. and then news we had at 5:15 a.m. She just took Asian's high, and then she's gonna take previous day high. If she takes previous day high before giving him a retrace, oh okay, she's giving a retrace now. But I want to see a retrace into this 1-hour gap /4-hour imbalance. And on the end into a big figure level, 46,200. And let's just pull the fib to a London low to current price. Let's just use the 0.5 fib. And NAS is kind of out of here. NAS didn't really pull back. I mean, they only pulled back to a 4-hour gap, but I mean, I could have took that, but I don't know. I've been having like L's on NAS the past days, so I was kind of iffy about it. But she did the same thing. She took the previous day low, and she made a 4-hour imbalance, and that too, she had a 4-hour gap as well, and she was kind of respecting it. But dang, she's actually taking off though. Fuck, damn, taking off on that hole. She didn't tap into the fib level though. If she had a 1-hour gap right here, I probably would have taken it, but she didn't. So the only confirmations was the previous day low was taken, and then also the Asian session, and the 4-hour imbalance, retraced the 4-hour imbalance. I think she retraced. Yeah, she was gone at 6:30. So yeah, maybe I can retrace it if she retrace to that 1-hour imbalance, which is 36 pips from, or 30 pips from now, from its current price right now. Oh god, did US 30 just give me an entry right now and I missed it? Oh god, I think I just missed US 30. She barely I think I might have just missed US 30, guys. How do I mark up this chart? She tapped it on. How does it stay patient? That's what I don't really like about this. She's fine though, man. I missed the entry. And alright, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, I'm in Naslong's. I kind of got a higher entry than I wanted to. I was trying to get at that 1 hour imbalance. I got like 10 pips above it, but we'll see how this shit plays out. So NAS or US 30, I was trying to get. I missed the entry on that 1 hour imbalance. It like happened so fast because I didn't have. It's funny because it didn't hit the 1 hour imbalance on the trading view chart, but it hit the imbalance on my Henko chart. And yeah, so I went to NAS. And she's going slow though, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty slow. Pretty slow, my guy. But we'll see how this shit plays out. I think I should have just waited a little bit longer so I could get into that 1 hour imbalance, but we'll see. Damn, bro. Like again, bro. Fucking NAS got me again, bro. Got me again, NAS. Fuck. Yeah, as soon as I entered on that 1 hour, I got obliterated. So I'm guessing PMI news was bearish. Same with 30. US 30. 7 a.m. PMI. But look at that. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna reevaluate my trade. I don't know if I want to take a trade on NAS again, possibly, just because of that 4 hour gap. I do kind of want to think about taking a trade on US 30. Let's see. Alright, I got dated by US 30 and NAS. US 30 and fucking NAS. Oh my god, bro. I literally just got dated, bro. 2 L's today. 2 L's a day, back to back. Yeah. Just got diddied. Look at that. Oh my god, man. And then this shit's gonna go back up. I just know it is. I just know it is, man. Oh, fucking hell, bro. Oh shit. I'm fucked. What'd I fucking say, guys? Just got Diddy to get fucking. Wow. What is that? How many pips is that, bro? 5 pips again? Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to start praying because I need some help. I need some fucking help. Need some goddamn fucking milk. Jesus, man. Oh my god, just full TP. About to be full TP, bro. In look at Nas, bro. If I would've just took the entry from the 4-hour imbalance, like bro. Oh my god. This hurts my mental. This hurts my fucking mental. Man, that is crazy, man. That is crazy. Wow. Wow, oh my god. Oh my god. Well, it looks like, at least it looks like that I'm in the right direction. Going in the right direction. I'm calling out the right positions, just taking them the wrong time. Taking them the wrong fucking time. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Nah, fuck. Damn, that would have been a 1-2 already. And it's not even at the 1 hour fair value gap. That's above the fair value. Imbalance. Above the imbalance. I just knew that shit wasn't go back up after it stopped me out. I should just fucking waited. There's my life. Alright guys, so those were all my trades that I took yesterday and the day before that. I'm not sure if I didn't trade on Monday. I traded on, what's today? Today is Wednesday? Okay, today is Wednesday, so I traded on Tuesday. And I traded on today. So I took 2 losses today, and I took a loss yesterday. So in total, I took 3 trades this week. So I'm gonna be, since I took 2 losses in a row, or 3 losses in a row, I won't be trading the next day, or even this week. For God's sake, I won't be trading this week, and next week I will be minimizing my risks, cutting down to risking $20 a trade. I was risking 30 to 50 bucks. That was because I was not in drawdown. Now I am in drawdown, so I'm cutting down my risk to $20 so I can get back to the green side, get back into profit slowly but surely. But yeah, that's my plan for next week. And so yeah, I just took 3 trades this week, and I won't be trading anymore this week. So that's also one thing I'm working on too, is taking less trades. So yeah, next week, freaking Nas 100 took previous day high right now, and US 30 already gave you that 1 or 2. It just sucks that it stopped me out. If I had my stop loss 5 pips below, or 6 pips below the low, then I would have been good, and I would have been in profit. But now they just don't want to do that, and they want to fuck with my emotions, and oh my god, it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm getting it right, but it's the execution part, the patience, the execution part is what really gets me. Because I don't know if in my brain it's like it hits the point of entry to where I want to trade at, and then I don't know if that fair value gap or imbalance is going to hold.
and that fucks with my brain, and I don't want to lose a trade, or I don't want it to go straight stop loss right when I place a trade. That's one of my fears, I guess. But I guess that's pretty much everyone who's trading is that's their fear, I guess, going straight to stop loss after you press buy or sell. And yeah, that's something I gotta deal with. I guess that's what I'm feeling, so I shouldn't be trading with my emotions. Is what I see I should be trading. So yeah, next week I'm gonna come back stronger and really just execute with no feelings, and just execute on base of what I see in price action. And yeah, whether that goes to stop loss or not, it is what it is. I played my part and listened to my system, listened to my rules. I had what I wanted, as in price action and period stay low, taken, Asian session, taken, and it worked. You see, it worked out. It's just the execution part, guys. That's the toughest part. Execution, emotions. Whatever. Got my eggs and beef and rice. Kind of much. Alright, guys. Alright, I'm going over why I took the trade. This was like an A+ setup. It was just on my end. I wasn't patient enough, and my execution was it was bad, I guess. It was bad. I admit. So my first trade today was on NAS 100. I was looking for buys. Longs, it buys AK longs around the 4-hour gap, which is right here. And then I believe I took it at 6. Let's go to 15. I took it around, I believe, right here. So I took it around, I think I had pulled the fib from here to here, and I used a 38.2 tracement, and then I believe I entered on 6:45, and then so my entry was like this, somewhere, honestly forgot what price it was, but it was somewhere along here, I guess. I think so. And then I don't know if I had a 50-point stop. Damn, I can't even speak. Let me actually look at the. So NAS, yeah, I had a 50-point stop. Hold on, I gotta check. Where was this? I forgot where the heck I took the trade. Hold on, guys. Alright. Dang. Oh, shit. Matter of fact, I did not take it at the 4-hour gap. Shit. I took it at the 1-hour gap. So at 6, it was bullish like this. It was pushing up. Like this black candle was pushing up at the time. So if I go on the 15-minute, it was like this. At 6:30, it pushed up. And then on that little retrace at the 1-hour gap, I wanted to see it go higher. And I had a 50-point stop, a 51-point stop. And I entered on that. Or let's go over here actually. So like that. It was exactly like this. I remember it now. So let's go to the feed. And then so I entered in on that retracement. And then I got diddied on that same candle that I entered on. Look at that doji. It was news. It was news. Look, this looks like a news candle. So I believe it was news because I think we had at 5:15 we had USD, ADP, non-farm, and then we had at 7 a.m. we had ISM PMI. So that kind of, I think right here, it was the what you call it, the news candle, and I got fucked over. And then after that, 7 a.m. pushed, and it's currently pushing right now. It took the previous day high, and also Asian. And the reason why I took this trade is because it swept previous day low around London session, and so it made a low of the day, and also took the Asian sessions low. It consolidated and manipulated and distributed. So this was a AMD setup, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And I should have took it around right here, big figure level. So I should have waited for 7 a.m. or I should have took out the 4 hour. If I took out the 4 hour gap, then I would have got saved with that 50 point stop. I would have got saved and then I would have been in profit. But damn, it's crazy, man. Yeah, should have just waited on that. So that was my first trade on NAS. And then my second trade was on US30, which I will show you right now. It kind of did the same thing what NAS did. It looks exactly the same thing, right? If we go right here, same shit, right? It's just this part is different. So, oh wait, wait, that's not NAS. That's fucking ES. Alright, NAS and US30, NAS and US30, NAS and US30. Same thing though, same thing. Let's go to US30. I took the entry right here, and then whatchamacallit, my entry was it was right here. Had a little bit higher, and then I had a 50 point stop, and then I got diddied. I think I had an entry a little bit higher right here. Yeah, I think so, because I remember it was like 10 point stops ahead. Or it was Tony. Actually, let me look again. Let me look on my ankle. Oh shit. It was buy limit, and then I don't wanna. Yeah, so it was along here. So damn, it was very high. I did not. Dang, I took that shit very high, man. What the hell? Why did I take it so high? Yeah, so that was my entry, I guess. Yeah, that was my exact entry. And I got stopped. Right there, I believe. Let me see. So I got stopped right there, and then I thought, okay, let's go to 15. Let's go to the 5 actually, because I remember exactly what happened. Yeah, this was the exact injury. I took the entry around there when it was going up. I had a bad feeling about it too because the fair value gap when it tapped. And then after it stopped me out, it fucking ripped. Straight to fucking TP, man. Straight ripped. This one was a kinda a risky trade because before that it took the previous day high and it came back down. It took the previous day high and the Asian sessions high, and it came back down for another retracement, or it took out all those break-even traders. And then it pushed back up, which I had confidence in it going back up is because this wick, I believe it was going to fill this wick, and it did. Oh my god, and it did. Fuck, I'm trying to say, and it indeed. And it indeed did. Damn, it's so hard to say that. But yeah, it filled the wick, and it went to 1-3, maybe 1-4. Almost 1-4. And yeah. And that's all she wrote. She's coming back down right now. But that was on my part. If I were to wait a little bit longer, I could have gotten spared and I could have took that 1-2. Cause I believe I got stopped on that. I got stopped on this candle right here. It was this candle that stopped me. 7 a.m. candle. 7 a.m. open candle stopped me. And then it pushed. So that right there stopped me out. That little fucking wick. I could have been spared. Or if I were to use 30-point stops, I could have been spared. But rather go for 50 points. But yeah, those were my 2 trades, and both of them were a L. Honestly, it was my fault. I should have executed more better, because this was an A+ setup too. It's like previous day low and Asian low. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So yeah, this was an A+ setup. It was on my part for the most hand. So yeah, those were my 2 trades. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm not gonna do a workout because me and my mom is gonna go to Planet Fitness and go do legs, arms, and all that. So I'm just save my energy for that. So for now, I'm gonna be editing videos, and then yeah, and then I'll probably most likely catch you guys next week, because I'm not gonna be trading for the rest of the week. And yeah, that's one of my rules. If I lose 2 days in a row, which I did, I won't be trading the rest of the week. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below comment down below if you guys caught anything, if you guys caught any trades, and yeah, just tips and tricks, whatever. Just comment whatever, guys. I don't really mind. Comment whatever. Hates, love, tips, whatever. But I'm gonna catch y'all next week.